If you want to make extraordinary things happen, you're going to face challenges. And that's the thesis of James Kouzes and Barry Posner. The leadership challenge is to make extraordinary things happen within your organisation. And James Kouzes and Barry Posner think they know what you need to do to make this happen. Their answer in this book is that there are 5 practices of exemplary leadership. In 1973, they started asking leaders, what do you do as a leader when you're performing at your personal best? By now, they've gathered over 75,000 answers. From those answers, they found 5 common themes, which they articulated as 5 leadership practices. Practice 1. Model the way. Do this by being a role model and acting in the way that you want your followers to act. Clarify the values that you want them to follow and set them a good example. Practice 2. Inspire a shared vision. Create and communicate goals and a vision for the future that your followers can believe in, commit to, and take action upon. Practice 3. Challenge the process. This is about enabling people to innovate and to create change. Look for new opportunities and encourage people to experiment and take risks. Practice 4. Enable others to act. Give people the confidence to take the initiative by creating a psychologically safe place for people to work. Support your people and foster a collaborative mindset. Accept mistakes as the necessary product of initiative, innovation, and courage. Because psychological safety means that people no longer fear being criticised for doing what you've asked them to do, to innovate and believe in what they're doing. Practice 5. Encourage the heart. Take psychological safety to its limit by being sincere and appealing to your people's emotional priorities. Recognise their contributions and celebrate their successes. Leaders who consistently use all of these practices are more successful than those who do not. And exemplary leadership, they found, requires all 5 of these practices. Like Warren Bennis, Kouzes and Posner believe that leaders are not somehow born as leaders, but rather that they can develop their leadership skills through workplace experience. They focused on the traits that make good leaders, the things that we recognise as useful in leadership from people who lead us. That way, leaders can understand what it takes and develop those traits for themselves. This is their best-selling book, The Leadership Challenge, which was first published in 1987, and now, as I make this video, it's in its 7th edition. I'll put a link to it in the description. It contains their leadership practices inventory, a list of traits that people they've interviewed associate with leadership. For over 20 years, they collected over 75,000 responses to the question, what are the 7 traits that you most associate with the leaders that you've worked with? What are the things that you look for, that you admire, that make you want to follow a leader? Here on the screen are the top 20 things they found consistently. Their top 5 were, in reverse order, number 5, intelligent; number 4, inspiring; number 3, competent; number 2, forward-looking; and at number 1, honest. Which of those 20 traits would you select as the things you most value in leaders? Which of those traits are the ones you most need to develop in yourself to strengthen your leadership style? Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be making loads more great management courses videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of them. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep learning.